chickpeas, they've been soaking overnight. You can eat them. Not bad. Okay, I think I will put some salt and start it. Something like this. You will have to boil these about 2-3 times. Rinse the water, remove the water, put more water a few times, just until the water is not dark anymore. Foamy, remove the foam. The water gets a bit brown, as you can see. Bowl. Try one. It's getting soft. Okay, change the lights in the meantime. So I think the chickpeas, the hummus is about to be made. It is pretty soft. Oh yeah. Yep. Some of this broth. This is the part where you put garlic. Put it in the garlic press. 3, 4, 5 cloves goes there. I ate all the garlic. I don't have any more garlic, so I'll put it later. Then there is the tahini paste. Make sure it's without that titanium dioxide. Don't buy tahini paste with titanium dioxide. It's only made to make it look more white. So yeah. See, not so white. This is concentrated sesame seed paste, tahini. Oh yeah. Extra virgin olive oil, not too much. If it's not juicy enough, add some of the broth. Let's get the blender. Some pieces of chickpeas inside. Wow. Okay, blender is finished. Take a piece of pita bread. There's nothing like freshly made hummus. Wow. There are still pieces of chickpeas, but I like it like this. I like to feel some textures in it. It makes it more interesting. So, if it had garlic in it, it would be much better. But even like this, it's really delicious. Throw it in casseroles, eat it with meat or falafel. You could eat falafel with this. Delicious. Wow.